Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and healthy. Be safe. As I repeat daily, I'm saying you all do not go unnecessarily here and there. Use mask always. Use sanitizer oftenly in your houses also when you are staying inside your house. Then also you use all that things and use the proper precautions. Maintain social distancing. Do not touch anyone, any other person. Do not touch. कोई बाहर वाला है तो उसको तो टच ही मत करना. ओके. So in last chapter, in last video we have seen what is a negative sentence, isn't it? So what is a negative sentence, what is a affirmative sentence, how to change affirmative to negative. In this class we will move on with the rules of changing affirmative sentences into negative. What are the rules? Simple rules. If you see this first B part, she speaks politely, she does not speak politely. The sun shines brightly, the sun does not shine brightly. You write well, you do not write well. He came. See, come, came. Came, past tense. He did not come very late. The gardener waters the plant, present tense. Gardeners does not water the plant. If you see in these sentences, first, second and third, they are and fifth also, they are the simple present tense. Only s is added to the verb. Only s is added. So what is the rule? The rule says that the negative sentence in the simple present or simple past tense is formed with do not or does not plus base form of the verb. And for the past tense, did not, or simply you can understand like this. Simply you can understand like this. When simple present tense is there, present tense, then what you will add? Does not. Simple present tense, you have to add does not. For example, from the book only I will give you the example. She speaks politely. She speaks politely. Speaks here shows, this verb shows you that speaks is in simple present tense. So she does not. I told you na that does not will be used for the simple present tense. Speak politely. So the same thing is done here also. You can see over here. But one thing you have to pay attention is that जो आपको ध्यान में देना है कि बहुत बच्चे speaks का s यहाँ पे भी ऐड कर देते हैं तो उनका आंसर रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. She does not speak politely. Does not speak, s हट जाएगा. This is for the simple present tense. And for simple past tense, what will be added? For the past tense, did not will be added. Did not. What will be added? Did not will be added. For example, he went there. He went. Go, went, gone. आपने पढ़ा है ना, तो went कौन सा टेंस में आता है? Went tells us about the past sentence. So he went है, then did not, and went will change to what? Base form. He did not go there. Went will change to its base form. Clear? He went there, he did not go there. The gardener waters the plant. Sorry. This becomes a present now. This one will go here. So I am not going to tell you that. One example is enough. I think this one is enough for you all. And another important point, note it down. Whether it is any tense, कोई भी टेंस है, प्रेजेंट है, पास्ट है, फ्यूचर है, सिंपल है, सिंपल कंटिन्यूअस है, व्हेन आई एंड यू आर देयर in sentences, I and you are used in sentences, then they will have do not, they will have do not to change it into negative sentences. Always I and you always have do. For example, I wait, example, you write well. I write well. So I and you, what they will have? Do not. I do not write well. आई एंड यू के साथ हमेशा डू नॉट यूज होगा निगेटिव सेंटेंसेस बनाने के लिए. रिमेंबर दैट. एंड अनदर एग्जांपल फॉर यू, यू डांस अमेजिंगली. देन यू डू नॉट, आई एंड यू के साथ ऑलवेज डू नॉट dance amazingly. This was the first rule. Okay, remember this. For simple present tense or simple past tense, for simple present tense, does not, simple past tense, did not. Okay, and for I and you, do not. Again, repeat with me. Simple present tense, does not, simple past tense, did not, and for with I and you, always do not. Okay, I hope everyone understood these. If you remember these rules, you are not going to forget and you are not going to make any mistake. Rule number 1, rule number 2, and this one, rule number 3. Next question, one question for you all. Type the answer. Sita slept late at night. Sita slept late at night. Change it to negative sentence. Change it to negative sentences. Good luck, everyone.